Consider the possibility that your sense of smell is so powerful that it can have an effect on your weight? Out of all the 5 senses, the sense of smell is known to be the most powerful. Even when we're not hungry, the scent of our favorite foods makes us want to stop what we're doing and eat. We smell a freshly baked chocolate cake and we've got to have a piece. People wake up every day to the smell of coffee. Sometimes just that smell is enough to get us up and moving. So experiential evidence shows us that there exists a powerful link between what we smell and what we want to eat. The rich aroma of certain foods are enough to alter our appetite and convince our brains that we're hungry when we're really not. A recent study proved this idea is more than just experiential evidence or a wild hypothesis. The study involved a group of overweight people who were encouraged to inhale certain scents whenever they felt hungry. They were instructed not to drastically alter their eating habits, but to use the inhalant when they felt hungry. The results were fantastic, ranging from a total weight loss of 5 to 18 extra pounds per month per participant. The study used different scents that included fruits and herbs and concluded that the most effective inhalant happened to be peppermint. What the researchers discovered is that inhaling this herb satisfied people's cravings. It served as a substitute for a sugary snack and reduce the desire and withdrawal symptoms associated with a low-sugar diet. We all know how detrimental to our health sugar can be. It leads to serious problems, including obesity and diabetes. Next time, instead of reaching for that candy bar you enjoy so much, consider inhaling some peppermint essential oil. Your brain might not know the difference, but your waistline eventually will. Follow these instructions to start using your sense of smell to get rid of those unwanted pounds. As often as desired, use a diffuser to inhale peppermint essential oil. You can also apply a few drops to your abdomen, temples, or your wrists for an additional soothing effect. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.